Next Wave CNC is focused on continuing to improve the performance and capabilities of our Shark CNCs. Our quality accessories, parts, and innovative tools are all designed to expand creative opportunities while providing maximum performance for our customers who own a Shark. Assembly Video Series. How to unpack and assemble your Next Wave CNC Shark SD110. In this video, we will show you how to safely unpack and assemble your new Shark SD110 CNC. First, place the box next to a table sturdy enough to hold your SD110 CNC. Carefully open the box containing your SD110 and then set aside the box containing parts, hardware, and paperwork. Lift the SD110 CNC out of the box and place it onto the table. Remove all cardboard and plastic wrap from around the SD110 CNC. Take the rubber bands off the cords on the back of the SD110 CNC. Next, open the box containing parts, hardware, and paperwork. Lay out the parts, hardware, and paperwork onto the table next to the SD110 CNC. Refer to your owner's manual to ensure there are no missing items. Remove the zip ties attached to the AC power adapter and cables. Connect the cord to the AC power adapter. Plug the cord from the AC adapter into the control box. Then plug in the AC adapter power cord to a trusted power source. Plug in and securely tighten the X and Z cables from the side of the gantry onto the control box. Then, plug in and securely tighten the Y cable from the back of the SD110. Plug in and securely tighten the pendant cable to both the pendant and the control box. Finally, let's install the router. Loosen the bolt on the front of the clamp with an Allen wrench. Loosen the 4 bolts that attach the router clamp to the CNC. Use a flathead screwdriver to gently spread the clamp enough to allow the router to drop into place. Ensure that your router power cable is away from the back of the CNC. Proceed to tighten the bolt on the front of the router clamp with an Allen wrench. Then tighten the 4 bolts that attach the router clamp. Open the Vectric box and insert the thumb drive into your computer. You have now successfully unpacked and assembled your Next Wave CNC Shark SD110. All Next Wave CNC products include lifetime support. Should you have any questions, email us at support@nextwavecnc.com.